Today, let us understand what is periodic motion. We can understand periodic motion with the help of a spring mass arrangement as shown in this picture. We can even understand periodic motion with the help of hanging spring mass system. Even production of sine waves by using an alternator is an example of periodic motion. If we pull the spring and release it, then it starts moving to and fro motion. Now consider a hanging spring, and suppose we pull the spring in the downward direction and release it, then it moves up and down. Then it performs periodic motion at a given instant of time. Now, what is the exact meaning of periodic motion? Let us understand with the help of this spring mass system. In this spring mass system, as the mass attached to the spring moves to and fro, and suppose it covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then it is periodic motion. So, the mass m attached to the spring is moving between two extreme positions, left extreme position, right extreme position. Left extreme position is a compressed state and right side extreme position is a stretched state of this motion, and O be the center of this motion. If the mass m is moving between two extreme positions shown by red dot, we notice the following. The body moves equal distances with respect to equilibrium position O. If the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then it is periodic motion. Swinging pendulum, beating of human heart, vibration of tuning fork, revolving of earth around the sun, spinning of blades of ceiling fan are the other few examples in which we observe periodic motion. Now, let us define periodic motion. Any motion of a body in which motion repeats itself after a definite interval of time is called as periodic motion. A body performing periodic motion keep on repeating same set of movements. In my next video, I shall be talking about doubly periodic motion. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. This channel is exclusively for physics subject. So keep on watching. Meet you again with next topic. Till then, wish you good luck. All the best.